shifting drum.
For the test.
Yeah, because the word drum,
I don't know
the
the
other
name of the
pieces
parts.
on the bike has the same name, drum. So this is called shifting drum, and here are the grooves. From the number of grooves, you can tell how many forks are attached to it, and how many you have right there. You have 3, right? You have
3.
1 or 2. You're right, 4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4.
What grooves do you look at for the number of types?
So we have here. Actually, we have 3 only, guys.
What?
Yeah, only
What's the
3.
center one then?
This one here is coupling. It's a coupling. It's coupling. It's a spring-loaded
3
coupling.
forks.
So you have only 3. You have 1 right here, 2, and 3. How many speeds this transmission has? You have 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6 sets of gears. So that means you have what? You have a fork for every 2 speeds. Then you should have 3. Okay? You guys are good in that? This one has bearings. Yes, has bearing right here. People talking. You have bearings right here, right? These are the bearings. Can these bearings fail and make noise? Yes. Can make grinding noise. Some of these gears are spinning at the same time when the bike is idling. You know that?
Yeah.
You guys know that? Some of these gears are spinning as the bike is idling.
Those are the ones with the dock.
It depends on the design. But let's go back here and see service manual. You're right. Here you have shifting drum, input shaft, output shaft, right? You have here the duct teeth, right? Where? On the output shaft. Sometimes you have them on the input shaft, so it depends on the bike. 4 speed, how I know that? Because you have 4 sets.
Yeah.
You have here the grooves, so you have fork right here, it goes right and left. You have a fork right here, goes right and left. If you have a problem, like you put the gear in second and that gear pops, what is the problem? Worn out. What's worn? The teeth are worn. That's why are not sitting inside that oval shape.
Yeah, somebody. Oh, that's not mine.
Okay, one more thing, guys. Look at this gear right here. See this gear right here? Look at the cut, and look at this cut right here. Do you see a difference?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you the names right now.
One is slanted.
This one is called what? It's called, they call it straight cut gear. Straight cut. How about this one here?
Slanted? Slanted?
They call it helical cut. Yes, Helical. They call it helical cut.
Helical.
So this one here, they call it helical cut. What's the difference? Why this gear is like this one? Why this gear is like this one?
That one's better.
Smoother.
See, if you go down here, you can see helical cut right here. Why we have here straight? Why we have here? By the way, can you see this pin right here? It's coming from somewhere. Where is it coming from? Why this gear is not attached to any gear?
For belt wrenching.
Reverse.
Why?
Why is it that?
Here is the clutch basket goes right here, right? Let's talk about the helical gear. The helical gear, the main purpose of it is to reduce noise.
Reduce noise or smoother?
So
right?
this one is attached all the time. This one here is meshing all the time. So the purpose of it is reduce the noise. But this one here, straight cut. This is for the gears. But this one is running all the time. That's why it has to reduce the noise. Here is the shifting drum, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes. No. This one here, this one is called coupling. Actually, that is a spring. That thing is a spring right there. In case you see it on different design. Sir, you're saying service manual. I'm explaining if you see it.
on, Sam.
This one is spring-loaded coupling. Spring-loaded coupling. The whole idea is if there's too much load, that spring will compress, and that joint is gonna jump. It's a safety device here, so you don't hurt the gears in the training.
So,
If there's too much load from the engine, yes.
So the cruiser for when you pull clutch in, it's you go like that, and then
If
gate with the-
if you let the clutch lever,
Oh, it's empty itself, right?
yes. So the whole idea of this one here is to protect the gears of the training. Monica, do you have a question?
Yeah, the gear on the shaft, what is that for?
So anybody here? Why we have gear here?
So reduce the noise?
No, I'm talking about this gear right
that's
here.
No, reduce the speed, right, Mustafa?
No.
Reduce the noise, right?
That's for people.
This one here is for the starter. Here is for the starter. Because remember, you have the starter here and goes to the basket and goes to the crank. Here for the starter. Let's go to something else. I'm just doing a quick review because I'm gonna do something different now. The name to this one. What's the name of this one?
Doggle.
So here you have duck teeth right here, and here you have duck holes right here. And everybody knows about the oval shape. Why it's not perfect circle? It's oval shape to give you time for shifting. So if you have a gear that pops on the second or third, that means what? That means that opening here is already worn, or that piece is already worn.